The smartest person in the room used to win by thinking longer. That stopped being true. The new work skill is not harder thinking, it is faster deciding. The smartest person in the room used to win by thinking longer. In the AI era, they win by deciding faster. Those are not the same skills, and most professionals only trained for one of them. Subscribe to Technology Upside because cognitive agility is now worth more than cognitive endurance, and most people never trained for it. AI has removed the bottleneck of information generation. It has not removed the bottleneck of judgment. The person who processes 10 AI generated options and selects the right one in 2 minutes is more valuable than the person who generates those options manually in 3 hours. Curation and decision making are now the premium skills. The industrial model rewarded endurance, sit longer, work harder, and outlast the problem. Cognitive agility rewards something different: the ability to act with partial information, to make reversible decisions quickly, and to adapt faster than you originally planned. Cognitive agility is trainable, but it requires a completely different working environment than the 40-hour model provides. Most organizations are still structuring work in a way that kills agility before it develops. That is what the next video is about.